Sure. So if this is, let's get ourselves a little practice here. Let's say this is f of x. What's f of 1 equal to? 2 times 2 plus 1 divided by 1 times 3 plus 2, which is, I don't care what it is. I mean, it is what it is. It's 6 over 5, I guess. But the larger point is that that is what? Positive. 2 times 3.
Oh, okay.
So, what we got? That means we put pluses where? Where's 1? That's over here, right? That's in this case. So we get pluses here. Then we flip minuses, pluses here, and minuses here. So what's my solution? I want greater than or equal to 0, right? So I want minus 2/3 to minus 1/2, and also 0 to infinity. Now, it's greater than or equal to, right? So I'm including where it makes it 0. Where are those points? That's what? That's just the minus 1/2. So I include the minus 1/2 because that makes the numerator 0. But I need to exclude the other 2 points because they give us division by 0. So like that, and like that, and then we union these guys. Is that what photomath says? You can see what see photomath does this. I mean, it probably will. Does it check with photomath?
Yes.
All right, good. Whew. Whew. All right, good. Well. Negative infinity. Negative infinity. Huh. The photomath is giving exactly the opposite of this answer.
Why is that?
Oh, it could be that I flipped the inequality somewhere. That's probably what I did. I bet I did it. I bet I made the mistake going from the black to the blue. See where I did it? Do you guys see it? Do you see the mistake? Right here. This, I have 0 over there, right?
It would be less than, yeah.
See, if the inequality is eating this, so I always think about this. If the inequality is eating this, like, nom, 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 it should still be eating the inequality down here.
So
I flipped it.
equal to 0, not greater than.
Yep. So this is the opposite of the answer. What I've solved here, right? This is actually the solution set of what? Minus, oh man. So this is the solution of this inequality, right? Because what happened was going from the black to the blue, I flipped it, right? So let me put the correction in red here. So this was supposed to be less than or equal to, right? And with that, what's the solution set? So if we're doing less than or equal to, we're looking for the minuses, right? So the minuses would be minus infinity to minus 2/3. Do we include minus 2/3 or exclude it? Well, we exclude it because it's division by 0. And then we union minus 1/2 is included because that's where 0 is. And we go to 0, which is excluded because it's division by 0. So the answer was this. So, well, I hope you guys have understood something. This will be on the quiz next class. So, should we work another? Maybe? Let's see here. Let me do a simple one, a relatively simple one. Oh. Suppose we're up against x plus 3 over 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 1. So this is number 79 in section 1.7. All right. So this is example 11. How do we solve this? So the first thing to do here is to put everything on one side, right? So we have x plus 3 over 2x minus 5 minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Now, how do we make this into a fraction? What do we do? Make a common denominator, right? So here, that looks like this. X plus 3 minus parentheses 2x minus 5 divided by 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 0.
And you got that on
Basically, I mean, I need to make a 1 into a fraction with 2x minus 5 as its denominator. So I think of it, personally, I think of it as multiplying minus 1 by 2x minus 5 over 2x minus 5. That's how I think about it. But now what? We simplify, right? So this gives us a minus x. I think that's plus 5. So plus 3 plus 5, right? Over 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 0. So one more step. This is 8 minus x over 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 0. What are my critical numbers? 8 and what? 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. Very good. Yeah. 8 and 2.5. I think we got a winner. No, just the 0. What's that? How did the what?
So that like x plus 3 minus 2x minus 5. So is it because the 2x is minus 5 that it becomes plus 5 because it's minus negative 5?
Yeah, it's minus negative 5. So minus minus gives us a plus there. Yeah, you're good. So our critical numbers are 8 and 2.5, I think you guys told me. Right? And I think you're right. So 2.5 is here. You might write that as 5/2 if you like. I mean, whatever. It's all good. And there's 8. And we're looking, this number line is for 8 minus x over 2x minus 5. So we need to test some points. Let's plug in 0. Where would 0 be in this story? Where is 0? Before 2.5, it's the leftmost case. So if this is f of x, what's f of 0? F of 0 is 8 over minus 5, right? So it's apparently negative in that case. So it's minus over here. And it's going to flip the plus in here. And then it flips back to minus over here. So what's my solution set? Minus infinity to what? 2.5. Do we include 2.5 or exclude 2.5? Exclude, because it would give a division by 0. Exclude the 2.5, and then we take the union of that with, apparently, 8 to infinity, which is kind of funny to write, you know? So we include the 8 because it makes the numerator 0, which is fine. So listen, I think that's a pretty good selection of like recommended problems from 1.6 and 1.7. I've assigned you 2 problems in 3.6. If you do, it'll be good. Oh, I guess hit the